Hey guys, Stephen from Tentworld Belly here, and today we're going to be looking at OZtrail's Classic Chair. Now this chair in particular is a great entry-level chair from OZtrail, and if you're just getting into the game and you're not looking to spend too much, this may potentially be a great option for you guys. Now this one here, we're looking at 110 kilo weight rating with a packed weight of 2.8 kilos. The rough dimensions of this chair, we're looking at 93 centimeters by 18 by 20. And with this one guys, we're not really looking at too many features. We're just looking at, on the right hand side here, we're just looking at one cup holder. And remember guys, at any Tentworld store, we have a great range of chairs. So feel free to come and pop into one of your local Tentworld stores and have a sit down in a fair few of them. I'm signing off guys, thanks.